Alright guys, today we'll be making this Dollar Tree stand. If you want to know how I did that, then stay tuned. Alright guys, so I'm just measuring the signs so I know exactly where to cut so that both pieces are even. And then once that's done, I'm going to be using my mini table saw to be cutting the pieces. Alright guys, now once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and take the spackle and I'm just going to fill in the cracks. And once that's dry, I'm going to take a wet cloth and just wipe away the excess spackle. This is when I realized that I had put the spackle on the inside of the other one. But what I'll do is I'll just go back later on and put the spackle on the top part of it. Alright, so now we're going to let them dry for a little bit. Okay, now that those are dry, what I'm going to do is start to assemble the stand. Here I'm just using some E6000 and then I'm going to also use a little bit of hot glue to attach the board. I can't believe that I glued this the wrong way, but it's alright because you really am not gonna see it when I am finished. As you can see, I am now filling the cracks with the spackle as well. All right, so now I'm just painting it. I realized that I was using a black gloss. So once that's dry, I'm gonna go over it with a black matte finish. All right, guys, this is the finished look. I love how it came out. I ended up making 2 small ones and 2 tall ones. To make the tall ones, all you need is 4 of the Dollar Tree signs versus 2. Comment below and let me know what you guys think. I hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, bye.